Hi everyone, welcome back to the Holzen Team Market Update. Today we're breaking down what happened in the single-family market in Troy, Ohio during February. We serve clients throughout the greater Dayton area, but this update is specifically focused on Troy. Let's get into the numbers.
Sales activity in Troy during February came in lower than it did in February of last year. So overall, closed volume softened year over year. When the number of transactions decreases, the market naturally becomes more price sensitive.
Now let's talk about price. The average sold price in Troy during February was $269,283. Last February, the average sold price was $327,408. That is a noticeable difference year over year. But context is important. When total sales volume is lighter, average prices can shift more noticeably.
By the end of February, there were 25 active homes on the market in Troy. The average list price of those homes was $365,000. That was significantly higher than the average sold price, which tells us buyers were active but disciplined.
Homes that sold in February averaged 54 days on the market. Last February, homes averaged 67 days on market. So, properly positioned homes actually moved faster than they did a year ago. That reinforces the importance of pricing correctly from the start.
There were 8 pending homes and 11 pending with show for backup status. That indicates steady demand. This was not a stalled market, it was a selective one.
The price range in February ran from about $133,000 to $737,000. That is a wide spread for Troy, which reinforces that pricing strategy must be specific to the property and the neighborhood.
If you're thinking about selling this year, this is not the market to test a number. It is the market to launch strategically. When you price correctly from day one, you create momentum. When you overprice, the market pushes back.
For buyers, there was more clarity than during the peak frenzy years. There was room to negotiate. There was time to think, but strong homes were still moving.
Troy remained steady and stable in February. We did not see panic, we saw normalization. And normalization is healthy.
If you would like a personalized breakdown of what these numbers mean for your home
or your buying plans,
reach out to us directly.
We're the Holzen team, and we'll see you next month.